Is it possible a powerful, versatile, and affordable wellness tool has been sitting on your kitchen shelf, underestimated for years? What if the key to soothing common senior discomforts, from nagging indigestion to irritating skin, isn't a new discovery but a hidden in plain sight secret that generations before us knew? Today, we're exploring baking soda, revealing how to safely harness its benefits. This is practical, empowering knowledge. First, an important point for your peace of mind. Some may have questions about specific brands or concerns regarding aluminum. It's crucial to know pure food-grade baking soda is naturally aluminum-free. Confusion often arises from baking powder, a different product. For these uses, ensure the label says 100% sodium bicarbonate. Any pure version will serve you well. Now, how can this simple substance offer support? One well-known role is calming occasional digestive upset, that sudden feeling of heartburn after a hearty meal or uncomfortable bloating. Baking soda can act as a swift neutralizer of excess stomach acid. Here's a simple approach you might consider. Dissolve 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a 4 to 6 ounce glass of water. Sip it slowly. Many report relief fairly quickly. But a word of gentle caution. If heartburn is frequent, it's wise to discuss this with your doctor. Ongoing indigestion can signal other things, and understanding the root cause is important. For timing, taking it before or after meals is often suggested so it doesn't interfere with natural digestion. Have you found a baking soda timing that works best for occasional indigestion? Share your experience in the comments. Let's move to skin. As we age, skin can become delicate, sometimes drier, and prone to bothersome irritations. For specific itchy spots like an insect bite or a small rash, a simple baking soda paste can offer targeted relief. Here's how easy it is. Take a small amount of baking soda, say a tablespoon or 2, in a small dish or your palm. Add just a few drops of water, mixing to a soft, spreadable paste. Gently apply this paste to the affected area. Let it dry a few minutes, then gently rinse with lukewarm water or wipe it away with a damp cloth. Many find this provides quick comfort. As always, for open wounds or a severe rash, consult your healthcare provider first. If these tips resonate with you, a quick like is always appreciated, and please consider subscribing for more insights. Next up, gout. This condition, resulting from uric acid crystal buildup in joints, can lead to sudden, intense pain, often in the big toe. While a doctor's comprehensive plan is crucial, baking soda may offer supportive relief during a flare-up by helping neutralize some excess uric acid. A common approach for gout support. During a flare-up, and always with doctor's approval, some try dissolving 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a full glass of water, drinking it once or twice daily during an acute episode. Due to its sodium content and the importance of proper medical management for gout, you must discuss this with your doctor first, especially if you have high blood pressure, kidney issues, or are on other medications. They can advise if this is a safe, supportive measure. Have any of you explored baking soda for gout under doctor's guidance? What about bright smiles and fresh mouths? Good oral hygiene is important for overall health, especially as we age. Baking soda offers simple, effective ways for comprehensive oral care. For mouth freshness and to neutralize odor-causing acids, make a rinse. Dissolve 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a cup of warm water. Swish for 30 seconds, then spit. If you wear dentures or oral appliances, baking soda is also a gentle cleanser. Create a soak, a teaspoon of baking soda in a cup of water. Let appliances soak 15 to 30 minutes. This helps lift stains and keep them clean without harsh chemicals. Always rinse appliances thoroughly with plain water before use. These practices are a great addition to regular brushing and flossing. Baking soda can also help manage common fungal issues, particularly for foot health, like athlete's foot. Its alkaline properties can create an environment less hospitable for fungal growth. For a soothing foot soak, consider dissolving 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda in a basin of warm water, enough to cover feet. Soak 15 to 20 minutes. Afterwards, dry feet thoroughly, especially between toes, as fungi thrive in moist conditions. This can be part of your regular foot care if prone to such issues. For persistent or severe fungal infection, or if you have diabetes and foot concerns, consult your doctor or podiatrist. It's understandable many value knowing the why behind these suggestions and perhaps look for scientific backing. While this wisdom is time-tested and research explores these benefits, approach health information with balance. Baking soda can be supportive, not a replacement for medical advice. And this is vital. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, so it contains sodium. If you manage high blood pressure, kidney concerns, or are on a sodium-restricted diet, it is imperative you speak with your doctor before considering ingesting baking soda regularly. They are your best resource to determine if it's safe and appropriate. Your doctor can also guide you on interactions with medications or supplements like apple cider vinegar and the best timing for use, like whether taking it at night is suitable. Generally, avoid taking it at the exact same moment as medications. This wellness journey is unique. The beauty of baking soda is its simplicity. However, its use should always be thoughtful and well-informed. What's one way you found baking soda helpful? Share your thoughts in the comments. A community sharing wisdom can be supportive. Remember, these are gentle approaches for comfort. Listen to your body, prioritize your doctor's advice, and embrace simple steps towards feeling your best. If this was helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content, and perhaps share it with family or friends who might benefit. Thank you for watching, and until next time.